As the question says, light from Balmer series of hydrogen is able to eject photoelectrons from a metal. What can be the maximum work function of the metal? Now friends, we know that for Balmer series, N1 is equals to 2 basically, right? But we need to find the maximum work function, and we know that for any photon energy, that is hc by lambda, is equals to the work function of the metal plus the kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons. So in order to get the maximum work function, we need to get the maximum energy of the available photons. And for Balmer series, that maximum energy will be when the transition is between 2 to infinity, right? Obviously the energy will be released when the electron is coming from infinity to 2, but I'm saying at least the gap is of 2 and infinity. So let us find the energy gap. This is, I hope you are getting the point why I took the infinity. I didn't take 3 or 5 because obviously the energy gap will be less than this, and I need to get the maximum amount of energy over here in order to get the maximum amount of this work function. So this is 13.6, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, giving us 3.4 electron volts. So let us put here 3.4 equals to phi max, and phi max will be when the kinetic energy will be 0 for the maximum case, right? So from here I can say that 3.4 eV is the maximum work function possible for this metal.